Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a hot sauce business. First, focus on crafting distinct recipes and building a memorable brand. Next, develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your financial needs and target audience. Consider your startup costs, which might range from $5,000 to $10,000. This initial planning is crucial for setting a solid foundation and understanding your market. It helps you define your vision and strategy for success. Once your plan is set, focus on production and legalities. You'll need to secure all required permits and licenses for food manufacturing. It's vital to ensure your production space adheres to strict health and safety standards. Consistently sourcing high-quality ingredients is key to maintaining product excellence and customer trust. This step ensures your hot sauce is safe, legal, and delicious for everyone to enjoy. Now, let's talk about getting your hot sauce to customers. Design eye-catching packaging that truly represents your brand and grabs attention. Leverage social media platforms and participate in local farmers markets to promote your unique flavors. Setting a competitive price point is essential to attract new buyers and build a loyal customer base. Effective marketing makes all the difference in a crowded market. As your business grows, consider expanding your distribution channels to reach a wider audience. Think about introducing exciting new flavors or complementary product lines to keep your offerings fresh and diverse. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Continuously innovate and adapt to market trends to ensure long-term success and sustained growth for your hot sauce empire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.